Hi, in this lesson I am going to talk about how to use lu suffix in Telugu. Usually we add lu suffix to a noun base to make it plural. Let us see some examples. Box means pette. Boxes means pettelu. Cat means pilli. Cats means pillulu. Sometimes we need to change the end sound before adding lu suffix for easy pronunciation. Let's see, cat means pilli, but we cannot say pillilu. For easy pronunciation, we say pillulu. We change li sound to lu, then we add lu suffix. Door means talupu. Doors means talupulu. Fish means chepa. It is singular. Plural is chepalu. Knife means katti. Knives means kattulu. Leaf means aku. Leaves means akulu. Man means purushudu. Men means purushulu. Here, when you are adding lu suffix to purushudu, no need to use the end sound do. Just remove the do sound, then add lu suffix. So, men means purushulu, man means purushudu. Don't say purushudulu. Just say purushulu when you make it plural. Person means vyakti. People means prajalu. In Telugu, if you want to say vyakti in plural form, you can say vyaktulu. Potato means Bangaladumpa. Potatoes means Bangaladumpalu. River means Nadi. Rivers means Nadulu. Wall means Goda. Walls means Godalu. Wife means Bharya. Wives means Bharyalu. Window means Kitiki. Windows means Kitikilu. Woman means Stree. Woman means Strilu. No suffix is required when the noun bases are used in singular number. We must add the plural suffix lu when the noun is preceded by a numeral adjective other than oka. Oka means one. Let us see some examples. One dog means oka kukka. Here it is singular, so no need to add lu suffix after kukka. Two walls means rendu godalu. Three windows means మూడు కిటికీలు. Four chairs means నాలుగు కుర్చీలు. Six knives means ఆరు కత్తులు. If the noun bases ending with sound, replace their final sound with plural suffix lu as shown on the screen. Book means pustakam. Books means pustakam plus lu becomes pustakalu. Sometimes you can also say pustakamulu, but most of the time we use pustakalu. Life means jeevitam. Lives means jeevitam plus lu suffix becomes jeevitalu. City means nagaram. Cities means nagaram plus lu, nagaralu. If you don't want to use this rule, you can also say nagaramulu. Foot means padam. Feet means padam plus lu becomes padalu. Or without this rule, you can also say padamulu. Padamu plus lu, padamulu. So you can say padalu or Padamudu. Both are correct.